We're going to talk about some data, what's happening in the market as it relates to Placer County real estate, and what did we see during Thanksgiving? And also, let's talk about the fact that there's only about 8 days left to shop if you are looking to get your money invested in real estate by the end of the year. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Jayson, founder of Turn the Key Real Estate, and let's get into it. This week, or this past week, there are 73 active homes on the market. Now that's down by 100 from last week at 175. Obviously, a lot of people weren't putting their homes on the market going into Thanksgiving. However, there were still a few. There's 33 homes that did hit the market this last week, and that is down from 76 the week prior. There's also 79 homes that did go into contract in the week of Thanksgiving, which is down from 105. 15 homes went back on the market, which was down from 23. And 64 homes closed escrow last week. Super excited that we had a part of a couple of these, with Angel Nava having a home go into contract. So super proud of you, Angel, and just the incredible end of year success you're having. Also, Alicia, congratulations to you helping your client close escrow and get those keys before Thanksgiving. And then I also got to participate in that, helping one of my clients offload a property that they no longer wanted as an investment. So again, 64 of those, which was down from 107, and then 29 properties had a price reduction, down from 78, which was about 40% of the active market. We're also going to talk today about why having the right agent for you matters, who you work with matters. But before we get into that, the median home was a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,063 square feet on 0.17 acres, and was built in 2001. List price was $650,000 with a close price of $636,500. Days on market was a median of 22 with an average of 42, so still right about that 6-week barometer there. And homes that sold in the first 30 days were 64% of all homes sold in the first 30 days, and did so at 100.46%. Now, what home didn't sell in the first 30 days? Check this out. So this is a representation of our median home closed price. But this is why it's so important to have a local agent that understands local market trends, pricing, all of those things when you're going to list your house. This one originally was listed for $779,000 by Christie's International Real Estate Sereno. This property was 3-bedroom, 3-bath on Big Bend Drive here in Roseville, 2150 square feet, and was built in 2002. All very similar to our median. And it closed for $630,000. So that is about $150,000 under list price. That's quick math. I think it's about 20% under list price. That is horrible. So if you are interviewing to sell your house, interview some local agents that actually know what they can get for your property and how to best market your property, all that good stuff. The next one that we're going to talk about is still another example of why who you work with matters, or that details matter. But let's take a peek at this one. This one says, holiday sale priced to sell. Special buyer financing available, perfect for first-time buyer looking to downsize, or investment rental in popular Roseville neighborhood. Move-in ready, 1 story, 3 bedrooms plus a den or office for work from home, or 4th bedroom. 2.5 bathrooms, 2150 square feet, approximate lot size 7205. High ceilings, lots of natural light, central AC heating, ceiling fans, light fixtures, recessed lighting, double pane windows, formal living room, dining room, family room with fireplace, kitchen, 5 gas burner cooktop, double ovens, microwave, refrigerator, kitchen island with double sinks and split level countertop or counter sitting area, breakfast room, primary bedroom suite with sitting area, ensuite bathroom with extra large walk-in closet, Jack and Jill bedrooms with closet organizer and large shared bathroom, laundry room with new flooring, alarm system, 7 new kid-wired smoke detectors, 3-car garage with auto opener, fresh exterior and interior paint, tile roof, low maintenance landscape with auto sprinklers and fully fenced backyard, walking distance to shopping options, famous water park attractions, restaurants, community parks, schools, and easy freeway access. Again, goodness, there was a lot of words in there, so I'm sure they got some of the keywords there in their search. All right, let's get on to the most expensive listing to hit the market last week. Was this one on Swan Falls Lane, also in Roseville. This one was listed at $1.6 million. It is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 4,353 square feet property built in 2004, listed by eXp Realty. Now, here's where details matter. It's on 0.29 acres. The description says lot size 29.3 acres. So if you're a client or if you're an agent and you're looking for properties in certain parameters, let's say you don't want a lot of maintenance, you want to live in Roseville, but you want less than 1/3 of an acre, this house would have been ideal for you, but it never would have hit your search criteria because it says 29.3 acres. The decimal point's off by a couple. But anyways, for those that did see this or want to see this, let's take a look at it. And as I read through the description here, experience fine living and exceptional functional in this semi-custom home located within the gated community of Tiburon at Stone Ridge in East Roseville. Spanning over 4,000 square feet, this elegant residence offers 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a spacious upstairs loft. Additionally, a private casita with a full bath sits above the 3rd-car garage. Accessible through its own entrance, the chef's kitchen is a culinary dream, featuring a breakfast nook with oversized windows offering courtyard views, bar-height dining counter, and a large butler's pantry. Large laundry room with cabinets and washer dryer to stay. Relax next to one of the 5 gas fireplaces, whether in the front courtyard or on the upstairs balcony with stunning views. This home also features natural light and complemented by a beautifully landscaped backyard. Outdoor features include a sparkling pool and spa, a veranda, and 2 pergolas. Ideal for entertaining or unwinding. The main level boasts an ensuite bedroom with a full bath, perfect for guests, conveniently located just minutes from the Galleria Mall, outdoor trails, hospitals, and close by freeway access. This home seamlessly blends luxury, comfort, and convenience. And like I said, that could be yours for $1.6 million. And again, there's only about 8 days left if you are looking to make that investment for tax purposes this year, or just want to be in a home before Christmas or New Year's comes around. So if you are looking to buy or sell, please 916-953-1100. Let's chat and we can help you. Again, we are local and who you work with matters. Thanks. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.